We're back on YouTube.
Yes, Your Honor.
We're back on YouTube. 1 minute. I believe I have to stop the share in order to do the dreaded interpreter button. Okay, I'm going to hit the interpreter button. No, that's wrong.
Abrams.
Wrong button. Let's see. I'm doing it. I'm going on English channel only.
Hey.
Arlene, is it working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then, now I'm going to ask Mr. Hold on. Oh, any more I have there. Doing the bonds right there. I need the plea document. Okay. All right, I got Mr. Gonzalez Diaz in front of me. Mr. Gonzalez Diaz, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Hey.
Okay, thank you. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see the screen?
Sí.
Is your name Jose Hilario Gonzalez Diaz?
Sí.
Are you the same Jose Hilario Gonzalez Diaz when this cause number 2025 CC 005035, when this cause number stands charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated while you had a blood alcohol content of 0.15 or more in your body? Is that you?
Sí, señor juez.
For this offense, it is possible that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there is a fine possible anywhere from $0 up to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Sí.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that right?
Sí.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí.
And do you understand it?
Sí.
Oh, hold on, let me sign this paper. Are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
You understand that a plea of guilty or a finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country?
Sí.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose your green card. It's possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It's possible you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Sí.
Mr. Velasquez, did you discuss the possible immigration consequences with your client, and does he understand them?
Yes, Your Honor, I do believe he does.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed this, sir, as well as your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, in effect, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí.
So then, to the offense of driving while intoxicated, while you had a blood alcohol content of 0.15 or more in your body, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
Do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Sí.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you entering your plea then of your own free will?
Sí.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Judge, we're asking for a $0 fine, court costs, 35 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Velazquez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree with this, Mr. Gonzalez Diaz?
Sí.
Then, sir, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 35 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Velasquez?
Your Honor, he has an ICE hold, and I've
Yes,
already
nice.
explained that to him.
Okay. Well, as far as this case is concerned, sir, this case no longer holds you. The only thing holding you is the ICE hold. All right? Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case. Mr. Velasquez, thank you, and you can be
You
excused.
got it, Judge. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day. See you.
Gracias.
Bye-bye.